this is the new J. It's the Yulong V2M. Now let's get started to open. Now I'm actually sure there's a black and there's a sticker and a sticker lane. And it's from the Lazada too. Now let's time to unbox each of them. I'm really excited to one of the box. Now actually why I got this ruler? Because this ruler I don't want to break the box. Every time I do it, I always break the box. Now this is the sticker. Cool. Let's see. This is from out of the box. Now, let's get this plastic off. I think Daddy can help me a little bit over here. Now for the next one, this is so magnetic. This is cool, but it's not compared to the sticker link. So let's see. I don't want to break the box. Wait. Woo! Got it. Now this is the sticker ledge. So my daddy can help me out a bit. Because I don't know how to get out the plastics because let's get started to compare this. Do not try this at home. Now as you see, it's so magnetic. Whoop! Now it's good. I already do first turns. Now I need to test it out, so I need to solve it. Now this one is really quite sure because this one is almost my new name, but the corner cut, way awesome, cool. Just like the Yulong WRM. And the reverse. Whoop. Sorry. It's over here. One center line. Almost at the center line. And it's not cheap at all. So, now can we solve it now? Where's the timer? Because I'm really sure where's the timer. Now, the sticker ledge is already mixed. Whoa, this one is quite magnetic to my hand. What? Oh, fall. Now let's see. So give me the phone, please. Okay. Now I already did it. 2, 1, go. Woo! Not bad at all. 53.52. That was almost a close main. Okay, now for the new one. Okay, Daddy, give me... Already? Okay, let's see if it's better than that. This is kind of weird. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Ugh. It's unstoppable! Ugh. Ugh. Whoa! Whoa! 59 seconds. So the sticker age is much more better because I like it, but it's unstoppable for the corner cutting. Every time we do it, needs to get a little bit of, reflection is being stuck. Well, every time it's being stuck, but it's still okay. So almost my new main, but we have tools too. Inside of the box, another inside of the box has a tool too. And it's from Lazada. So you can buy it from the Lazada. You can play it all along. You can always play it, but not one hand. See you later.